In front of me is Vivo Y76 5G, and let me show you how to activate charging sounds on this phone. So at first reach settings, then find and select sound, and then scroll a bit lower. Here you will notice charging sounds and vibration, so unless icon is active, just tap on it, and then if you'd like to switch off it, just use it again. So whenever you wish to have sound and vibration applied to your charging feature, just click on it, and then if you'd like to mute it, click on it again to turn it off. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.